Morning traders, today 29th of November 2023, we just bank amazing profit on Euro USD. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Even yesterday New York session we had amazing trade on Euro USD. Let me share with you guys 4 hour, pretty standard and straightforward. We were looking this breakout previous high as soon as the market, we were long since the market respected here. After this breakout, as explained by trader, just keep taking a pullback. And as soon as the market hit to the previous high again, as explained in intraday, when we see the market reverse, I said to my traders, time to bank some profit. And let's see at the London morning session. So now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's the pretty standard and straightforward, as you can see here. That was a beautiful breakout trade here. As explained, my trade. Let's see. Based on the momentum, our bias was long, by the way. And if you can see a market nicely broken after the breakout, as explained my trader, take a pullback here, long here, long here. Momentum is bullish, bias is long, and beautiful. As soon as the market hit to the first target, as explained my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit on Euro USD. And let's see if I wait for another price action. As you can see, the market develop another structure as explained to my trader in detail. All this is a part of the training, by the way. So we can see a market nicely broken up previous high as soon as the market hit to the profit target. Explain my trader, consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. So you can see guys how we analyze the market and how we bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis every single day. And if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.